Hello and welcome to a brief overview of what it is that we do. So you will have been sent this short video either by myself or by somebody else that I am working with, as they believe they can see something in this for you. So my name's Catherine Wright, and 8 years this September I started my business. I took a look at a little bit of information and thought, do you know what? I'm going to go for it. This is what I've been looking for. Now, I don't know what it is you're looking for. It could be extra time. It could be that extra couple of £100 because, let's be honest, everything's going up. It could be so that you're not in your overdraft all the time, or that you can pay for your daughter's swim lessons or gymnastics lessons. Trust me, I know they're all super expensive. So I'm going to share with you really briefly how, working alongside us, you too will be able to create that extra income stream. Okay, so the company that I work underneath is Forever Living Products. We are 46 years old this year, so to me that screams longevity. Nothing's going to come and take us down. We are here for the long run. We adhere to all the rules and stipulations, and we are even part of the governing body on the DSA, which is the Direct Selling Association. So you have got peace of mind that when you are recommending these products, you have got the full backing of everybody behind you. So why did I decide that this was the path for me? So I'm a mummy to 5, and also now I'm a nana to 12, which blows my mind. And when the grandchildren started to come along, I wanted something different. I wanted something different when I was becoming a mummy, but I couldn't find anything out there. And then as I started to become a nanny, this was offered to me by another mummy, a complete stranger, and she gave me a couple of products to try, which I did. Was blown away with the brand. Being an oldie like I am, I'm 50 this year, so I tried lots and lots of different brands over my years, and I just didn't find anything actually did what it said on the tin. So when she gave me these products to try, I was very skeptical, but I did it. I did it one night at a glass of wine, naughty wine, and I tried this product and I fell in love straight away. And I am a huge advocate of our brand. We do not release anything unless it is the best on the market, has been backed by science, and uses ingredients that only our company would use. Trust me, it is absolutely mind-blowing. So if you are looking to earn an extra 2 to 500, an extra 500 to 2,000, or if you want a complete change in income, then you need to get back to the person who sent you this short video and ask them to send you the next bit of information, which explains how we earn our money, which is one of the big things, isn't it? Everybody wants to know that, what the perks are for being in this business. And there's a lot of amazing perks that I did not expect. So that is it. That is a really brief overview of what we do. I have to hold myself so that I don't start talking about everything, because I am super passionate. So thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this small video. I look forward to seeing you very soon. Have an amazing day, whatever you're doing. Take care. Bye.